Hey everyone, this is Odin119 again, and I'm back with a new video on how to program in Java. So if you watched the last video, I taught you about the Hello World program and how to run Java and how to edit the text printed. Today I'll go over the program structure that I showed you last time, because we didn't go into much detail about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, if you remember, the first line we had was public class, and then main, and then we had brackets. Now what public means is that it can be accessed from any other file, or anywhere in the program. So we won't go into like how public stuff works yet, but you just need to know that you can either have a public class or just a regular class. So a class is like a grouping of statements that are executed, and the class main is a name. You can pick any name. We can choose like let's see, we can call it Java or random stuff, but if we change name, it can't be public because the name of this file is main.java. So if it's a public class, then it has to be the name of the file. So here we go. So yeah, this is what a public class is. Now, the next thing that you saw was the public static, I can't type, void and main, and then there was some stuff in there, but let's go ahead and talk about what this part is. So again, public, basically a void is a method. The main void is the main method is where the program will start. So before the program does anything, it looks for the main, and then it starts executing code from there. So we saw some arguments. There was string, and args, and you can put these brackets anywhere, but it's generally acceptable to put them after the string. So after the args, you add another bracket. Now you need the brackets because they enclose information. As for the spaces, you don't need them. They're just for like keeping everything organized. Yeah. So, and in the public static void main method, we had a line. It was system.out.println line. Now system is a class, just like main is. And out is a method, just like the main method is in main. Yeah. And then print line is code that's executed. So basically, it just prints output to the screen. So it's in the form of a string, which is in quotes. So we had hello world before, right? Let's go ahead and do this. And then we put a semicolon at the end to say that it was the end of a line and the end of a statement. So now then you could just run it, and it would compile it, and we get the output hello world. So let's go ahead and change this up a bit. Let's go and say Java. Now in case this seems familiar, there is a built-in tutorial part. It costs money per month, but I'll teach it to you for free. I mean, it's like using a teacher in class versus a textbook. Generally, if you watch a person, it's easier to understand than reading text. And you can always leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you want to see more. If you need help, just remember to ask for it in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer. Anyways, back to this. Remember, so we can also add multiple lines to print. So let's go add another one. We're going to do system.out.println. Let's go and say Java is, alright, and then say Java is Cool. Now we could put this all in one line, but this is to show that you can have as many lines of code as you want. I forgot the parenthesis or quote there, and that'll tie into something I'm about to tell you. So we can run this, and with the print line, new line, it'll say Java is cool. Remember, print ln is printing a new line. So if we had print it would all go in one line without the spaces. Now we're doing print line just for this lesson. I'll go in more detail on other statements like this. So anyways, Java is cool now. You might know what the error is, so if we give it this parenthesis, it won't work. It's going to say errors. We need to fix them for one of that. If you click this X up here, it'll actually show you the errors. For example, right here, it says missing the semicolon. Now, Java will show you errors sometimes. There's different types of errors. I won't go into detail with them here. But just know that there's a syntax error which Java will show. And if there's a syntax error, the program cannot run at all. So yeah, Java is cool. So yeah, you know how to write multiple lines, how to fix a syntax error like that. After doing this, you should probably go ahead and write some new programs and test out making new lines and everything. Next time we're going to start the programming basics, and I'm going to teach you some stuff about math. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys on the next episode.